Welcome to Easy.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, in a 3-digit number, the hundreds digit is thrice the tens digit, while the units digit is 4 times the tens digit. Also, the sum of its digit is 16. Find the number. Let the hundreds digit be x, tens digit be y, and units digit be z. So, from given, as the hundreds digit, that is x, is thrice the tens digit, so it will be 3y. Suppose this is equation number 1. Also, we have given that the units digit, that is z, is 4 times the tens digit, that is 4y. Suppose this is equation number 2. And sum of the digits of that required number, that is x plus 5 plus z, is 16. Suppose this is equation number 3. So, from 1, 2 and 3, we can take 3y plus y plus 4y is 16. That is 8y equals to 16. Divide both the sides by 8, we get y equals to 16 by 8 means 2. So, x equals to 3y means 3 into 2, that is 6, and z equals to 4y means 4 into 2, that is 8. Hence, the required three-digit number is 628.